Well, here with my Jeep, and I decided I'm gonna turn my Jeep here into a demonstration piece. So I'm gonna go ahead and scratch it. I want to teach people how well I can repair scratches. So I'm gonna go ahead and scratch it. Remote.
What's up, Josh?
Oh, you busy?
What's going on? Talk to me.
You want a Kia car?
Do I want to key a car?
Yeah.
I'm done.
Why?
I'm keying my car right now to prove to people I can repair it without pain.
Let's go.
So look, you can key my car, no remorse. I'm gonna prove I can fix it.
Okay.
Yep. If you go sideways, I found there's an edge here. Look.
Oh, it goes right like nothing, man.
There you go.
Nice.
What do you think? Repairable?
For you, yeah.
Now look, I started. I did a demo piece.
Hey.
Look. Look, you guys.
Oh, so it was like that, and that's how.
Yeah. So look, I'm taking out the middle of it.
So this was all through.
Okay.
Look, we keyed it.
And these big ass ones with my boy Edward.
And he was ready to stress out on that motherfuckers and shit up.
Oh shit.
He's like, fuck you.
What'd you use?
They're off. They're off. Secret.
Top secret. Top secret. Sorry, bro.
That looks good though.
Is that ridiculous or what?
Hey, I'm not gonna lie. I thought you wasn't gonna do it.
And it's
See?
That's what I was looking at yesterday when I came. I'm like, you nuts, man.
You're
Like,
screwed.
I'm like,
You're
you're
screwed.
fucking,
I gotta show people, man.
Woo! I'm like, you really fucking gonna take that out? You're like,
Look.
yeah.
Yeah.
Nah, that looks hella good too.
Look. And it's permanent.
That looks dope. That was really good. Yeah.
It's permanent.